Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about if statement. In general, if statement execute any one of the two specified block. Which block will be executed will depend if specified condition is met or not. In UiPath, if we are using sequence, then we can perform such operations using if statement. If we are using flowchart, then apart from if statement, we can use flow decision to perform such operations. We have one more option, that is Visual Basic if operator, that can be used in UiPath to perform same operation. To explain about if statement, flow decision and Visual Basic if operator, I have created a blank project. Now I will explain them one by one. First of all, I will explain about if statement. For that, I will take a sequence. I'll name it as if statement demo. I will add some annotation to this. This workflow demonstrate about if statement. Now I'll create two variables, wallet balance. I'll change its data type as integer. I'll create one more variable, pay amount. I'll change its data type also as integer. Now I'll use an assign activity. By using this assign activity, I want to add some initial balance to wallet. So I'll mention wallet balance equal to 5,000. Now I'll take a input dialog. I'll capture some value from user, payment amount, enter payment amount. I'll capture this value inside variable payment amount. Now I'll use if statement. As you can see, there are three parts of if statement. First one is condition, second is then. This then block will be executed if condition is met, or we can say true, and then we have else block which will be executed if condition is not met or false. Now I'll specify some condition like payment amount less than wallet balance. Then I'll display some message to user by using write line activity. I'll display transaction successful. In case condition is not met, I'll display another message. So I'll take one more write line. I'll display transaction declined, or I'll display this message as insufficient funds in wallet. Now let me try to execute this. I'll enter payment amount, like I'll enter 4,000. So as you can see in output panel, transaction is successful because payment amount is less than wallet amount. Now I'll execute this again. This time I'll enter 5,500. As you can see in output panel, this time transaction is not executed successfully and I'm getting message insufficient funds in wallet. This is how if statement works. Now I'll show you by using flow decision how can we incorporate same functionality. I'll add a flowchart. I'll name it as flow decision demo. I'll create two variables, wallet balance payment amount. I'll add an assign activity. I'll use this activity to initially add some balance to wallet. Again, I'll capture some input from user. I'll store this to variable payment amount. Now I'll take a control by the name of flow decision. Here in condition, I'll specify my condition payment amount less than wallet amount. Then allow the condition to be executed successfully. Now here if condition is true means it is met. I'll print one message. I'll print transaction successful. In case transaction is declined, I'll print one more message by using this write line activity. Insufficient funds in wallet. Now as you can see here, there are two labels true and false that indicates that this portion will be executed if condition is true or condition is met, and this portion will be executed if condition is not true or not met. You can change these messages as per your convenience. Like I'll change successful. In this case, I'll change as declined. So this is how we can use flow decision. Let me execute this. I'll enter payment amount as 4,500. You can see in output panel transaction is successful. I'll execute it again. This time I'll enter 5,100. This time I'm getting message insufficient funds in the wallet. Now I'll take one more small example to demonstrate about if operator. Again I'll create two variables. I need to create one more variable where I'll capture status of payment. I'll change data type of this variable. This last variable that we have added, we want this variable type as boolean. So I'll add one activity assign. I'll add some initial balance to wallet. Now I'll capture some input from user. I'll capture this value inside variable payment amount. Now I'll use an assign activity. Here I'll assign status of transaction, whether transaction can be executed successfully or it will be declined due to insufficient fund. So here in assign, I'll go to its expression. I'll write down my expression. I will use Visual Basic if operator. If payment amount less than wallet balance, then true, means allow this transaction, else false, means if this condition is not true, then do not allow this transaction. Now I can use one write line. I can display status of this transaction. Pay status dot toString. I'll execute this. I'll enter some amount, 4,500. Transaction status, as we can see in output panel, it is true, means it is allowing this condition and transaction to be successfully executed. Now I'll execute it once again. This time I'll take 7,000. I am getting message in output panel as transaction status equal to false, means this time transaction status is false and I'll not be allowed to execute this transaction successfully. So here I have demonstrated about if operator. We need to write condition like this and it will work same as flow decision and if statement. With this, I will wind up this session. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.